Delhi government is injecting 22,000 crores for the cleaner air in Delhi. This is a welcome step. Millions of vehicles are daily dumping the poisonous gases into the air we are breathing. And oxygen content in the air, which we need for the breathing, is reducing as the number of people who are consuming oxygen from the atmosphere are increasing 2 crore plus. But the number of trees and plants and their leaves, which replenish the oxygen content into the atmosphere, are not so that much to cater to it. So the per unit volume of the breathing air is hardly having much oxygen, and it is having the poisonous gases, which is giving rise to a lot of problems to everyone. Everyone is feeling ill. Eyes are burning, and the stomach-related problems and the lung-related problems and the breathing difficulty in so walking, gasping, all these things are increasing. And in the modern era, we are taking out the petroleum products from underneath the earth, underneath the sea, and after taking out, we are dumping it into the atmosphere we are breathing in. So modernization is good, but the air which we are breathing, which we can't see around actually, but the fact is that it is poisonous atmosphere, and now the efforts need to be done until the time the pollutants entering into the atmosphere are reduced greatly. We should devise certain interim measures like pumping in and filling into the reservoirs cleaner air from the Himalayan regions, like the LPG cylinders, and these cylinders with the fresh air can be as a portable, like potable water we are using in a bottle. Same way in the cylinders, these can be distributed through the LPG distributors, and a startup can be made, and this air cylinders can be placed into the kitchens, and through the pipelines and through the lures, people can get fresh air, and the ladies especially who are cooking for an hour or two in the hot kitchen, at least they will be having a cool spray of fresh air, and this can be further extended to the schools and the hospital wards, offices, banks, and even the moving cars. So these cylinders will be an interim measure so that the people who are actually breathing in air that will be fresher, irrespective of the atmosphere outside, which also is being done by the government as is seen in this budget. Efforts are on, but some interim measures should also be thought. So my email ID is skjainial@yahoo.co.in. I repeat, skjainial@yahoo.co.in. Those who want to have a startup, I am a retired engineer, 69 years, mechanical engineer, and I've got a lot of ideas in this direction. So people, the angel investors who are interested in pursuing this project, may please contact me. I can oversee this whole project, and this will work all over India basis. It is having a massive potential in terms of the financials also, and it will be a people-friendly startup, the project, and I would request the Chief Minister Uttarakhand to make some startups by allocating the sheds for installing the compressors. The compressors can also run on the solar energy, which will further reduce the pollution in that region, and it will be again the greener project. So people must come forward, and I will appeal to the big giants like the Ambanis, the Tatas, the Adanis to seriously look into this aspect and put their research and development teams to study this project. I will request also Honorable Baba Ramdev ji to look into it, because he is also working good onto the nature, and all of us jointly must do something in this regard and try to help the humanity. Thank you very much.